Here are some unconventional and weird hacks that people swear by for achieving nice skin. 1. Sleeping on your back. Sleeping on your back can help prevent wrinkles and acne that might be caused by the pressure of your face against the pillow. It also reduces the risk of bacteria transfer from pillowcases to your skin. 2. Silk pillowcases. Using silk pillowcases can reduce friction on your skin while you sleep, which helps prevent wrinkles and keeps your skin smooth. 3. Potato slices. Applying raw potato slices to your skin can help reduce dark spots and pigmentation due to the natural bleaching agents in potatoes. 4. Honey and cinnamon mask. A mixture of honey and cinnamon can be applied as a face mask to help reduce acne. Honey has antibacterial properties, and cinnamon can help reduce inflammation. 5. Cold spoon depuffing. Keeping a spoon in the freezer and then using it to depuff under eye bags in the morning can be very effective. The cold helps reduce swelling and tighten the skin. 6. Banana peels. Rubbing the inside of a banana peel on your face can help with acne due to its lutein and antioxidants, which can reduce inflammation and promote healthy skin. 7. Yogurt masks. Applying plain yogurt to your face can help with moisturizing and soothing your skin due to its lactic acid content, which can also gently exfoliate. 8. Green tea ice cubes. Freezing green tea into ice cubes and rubbing them on your skin can reduce puffiness and redness. The antioxidants in green tea are also beneficial for skin health. 9. Using aloe vera ice cubes. Freeze aloe vera gel into ice cubes and use them to calm and hydrate your skin, especially after sun exposure. 10. Toothpaste for pimples. Applying a small amount of toothpaste to a pimple before bed can dry it out and reduce its size by morning. However, be cautious as toothpaste can also irritate the skin. 11. Apple cider vinegar toner. Diluting apple cider vinegar with water and using it as a toner can help balance your skin's pH levels and reduce acne. 12. Garlic for blemishes. Rubbing a cut piece of garlic on a blemish can help due to its antibacterial properties. However, be cautious as garlic can also be irritating to the skin. 13. Oatmeal bath. Adding colloidal oatmeal to your bath can help soothe and moisturize dry, irritated skin. These hacks may work for some people, but it's important to be cautious and do a patch test first to ensure you don't have a negative reaction. Additionally, consulting with a dermatologist for personalized advice is always recommended. For more professional and scientifically backed tips for achieving nice skin, here are some proven methods and treatments that dermatologists often recommend. 1. Regular cleansing. Cleanse your face twice daily with a gentle cleanser suitable for your skin type to remove dirt, oil, and makeup without stripping the skin of its natural moisture. 2. Exfoliation. Exfoliate regularly, 1 to 2 times per week, using a chemical exfoliant like alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, or beta-hydroxy acids, BHAs, to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. Avoid harsh physical exfoliants that can damage the skin barrier. 3. Moisturizing. Use a good quality moisturizer that suits your skin type. For oily skin, lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizers are best. For dry skin, opt for richer, more hydrating formulas. 4. Sunscreen. Daily application of broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher is crucial. Sunscreen protects against UVA and UVB rays, preventing premature aging and reducing the risk of skin cancer. 5. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Hydration is key to maintaining skin elasticity and a radiant complexion. 6. Healthy diet. Eat a balanced diet rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and fatty fish can contribute to healthier skin. Avoid excessive sugar and processed foods which can cause inflammation and breakouts. 7. Professional treatments. Chemical peels. These treatments remove the outermost layer of dead skin cells, improving texture and tone. Microdermabrasion. A minimally invasive procedure that exfoliates and removes the top layer of dead skin cells. Laser therapy. Effective for treating pigmentation, scars, and fine lines. Different types of lasers target different skin concerns. Microneedling. This involves creating tiny punctures in the skin to stimulate collagen production and improve texture and firmness. 8. Topical retinoids. Retinoids, vitamin A derivatives, are powerful anti-aging agents that promote cell turnover and collagen production. They can help reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and acne. Start with a lower concentration to avoid irritation. 9. Antioxidant serums. Serums containing antioxidants like vitamin C, E, and ferulic acid can protect the skin from free radical damage and improve overall skin tone and texture. 10. Hyaluronic acid. This ingredient is excellent for hydration, as it can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, plumping and moisturizing the skin. 11. Stress management. Stress can trigger skin issues like acne and eczema. Practices such as mindfulness, meditation, and regular exercise can help manage stress levels. 12. Adequate sleep. Ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. During sleep, the skin undergoes repair and regeneration processes. 13. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can dehydrate the skin and accelerate the aging process. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol intake for healthier skin. 14. Consult a dermatologist. Regular checkups with a dermatologist can help you stay on top of your skin health. They can recommend personalized treatments and skincare routines based on your specific needs. Incorporating these professional tips and treatments into your skincare routine can help you achieve and maintain healthy, glowing skin.